Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. As y'all can see, I already, did my eyebrows and everything. And the palette I'm using on my eyes is the Kat Von D palette, and I started off with black as a base and just to build up from like the darkest color up to the lightest one. It's easier that way for me instead of like starting from the lightest to the darkest. As you can see here, I went in with a purple and I also went in with a hot pink. Those colors came from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I decided to use those colors actually just so it doesn't look as chalky and as, bulky with the colors. I wanted to be a smooth finish on the eye to give like, a softer look going up to the brow bone. So here I already went through the whole foundation process and the concealer process. I'm using my Laura Mercier powder just to set in the creases so, long lasting wear and it doesn't start to crack on your face and everything. I also am going to go in and contour and everything, but I did that off camera. So yeah. It gives it a better look once you contour so that it doesn't look as orange on your face, the foundation. So I love gut creases and I'm definitely going to attempt. At this point, I was just winging it. I really didn't know what I wanted to do or what look I was going for. So I don't know how I came up with the whole like blue type thing, but it came out pretty awesome actually. And I also used the same blue out of the BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette. If you don't know now, you do. That is like one of my favorite palettes. So at this point in the video, I was like looking and I was like, I needed to do more because like the blue wasn't just popping enough. So, you know, that's when I had to throw a little glitter on the eye just to make the look pop a lot more. And if you can see from this clip here, I also went in and kind of made the hot pink calm down a little bit by using like a brown just to, you know, calm it down a little bit and not make it so bright. It's very rare you will catch me in a lip color. I don't know why the brown lip nude gloss, nude lipstick is like my go-to, but like that's been my go-to for like 2 years now. I'm obsessed. Like what? It does everything for me. Yeah, girl. That's it.